Alright, are we ready to eat? Yes, we're ready to eat.
It's disturbing how fast Henry will eat it, though. Higgins is such a good boy. He's gotten better, I must say. It's still disturbing. That's just disturbing.
And Henry's done, pretty much.
Come on, Higgins. He's a good boy, Higgins. Slow down. Nobody's going to do anything. You go ahead and eat your supper. Oh, I don't do that hardly anymore. I do that in the morning. He makes me do it in the morning, not at night. Foxy, Foxy.
Good boy.
He is a good boy.
Caught it in midair.
He is a good boy. That's how normal dogs eat, Henry.
There's nothing else in there.
I have to go in the kitchen to see what dropped on the floor.
Goodbye, Henry.
Bye, Henry. Oh, Higgins, nobody's going to come. Don't do that.
Stop.
Stop. Nobody's going to come take it, Higgins.
Henry.
No, if you think he thinks you're going to come and let him eat it for his food, that's why he's doing that.
Henry, get out of there.
Nice mood. Where's your burp?
There is no more food, Henry. It's all been eaten.
Well, you know, we'll do it every morning, too. He's going to have to go begging.
He's so thin.
Yes. Boop, boop.
Yeah, that's really thin dog right there.
Yeah, well, at least he has definition. He did. Remember, he never used to have definition.
Because he's a porker.
Yes, he is a porker. Wait a minute, are we burp yet?
Good boy.
He is a good boy.
Alright. Oh, you want to go outside?
I'm going to run out to stink.
Go outside.
Because it's raining. When it's before it starts raining, we'll have to shoot them out of here.
Come on. Let's go outside.
No fighting.
Bye.